Hi there, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off all email notifications in the OneDrive app on your Android phone. If you're tired of getting too many OneDrive emails, this step-by-step guide will help you manage your preferences quickly and easily. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Notifications. This will bring up all notification preferences for your OneDrive account. Scroll down until you find the option called Manage Email Notifications. Tap on it. This will open a new page in your default browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account by entering your email and password. Once logged in, you'll see a list of email notification options. Turn off all the ones you don't want to receive by unchecking them. After making your changes, scroll down and tap on the Save button to apply your preferences. That's it. You've now turned off email notifications from OneDrive on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.